Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Reginary Canvas Tote Bags is probably one of the most versatile and stylish accessories you can add to your everyday life, offering a perfect blend of fashion and function for shoppers, travelers, and anyone who needs a reliable way to carry their essentials. These bags are designed to be durable, spacious, and aesthetically pleasing, making them an ideal choice for those seeking a sustainable and chic alternative to disposable bags. Number 5. TOPDesign Personalized Initial Canvas Beach Bag. Introducing the ultimate beach bag, designed just for you. It's spacious, stylish, and ready for all your seaside adventures. Make it uniquely yours with a personalized initial. This special touch adds a unique flair to your everyday style. Crafted from high-quality canvas, this tote is built to last. Its chic design ensures you look great wherever you go. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This monogram tote is perfect for any woman in your life. It's both practical and personal. Carry everything you need for a day at the beach or running errands. This bag offers ample space for your essentials. Elevate your look with this elegant and functional beach bag. It's the perfect accessory to complement your personal style. What we like? Looking for a unique and personal touch? This tote bag allows for personalization with initials, making it a thoughtful gift. If you're searching for a special present for Mother's Day, a bridesmaid, or just a friend, this is the perfect choice for a memorable and customized gift. What people say. The canvas tote bags are made of durable material and have a large capacity, perfect for carrying groceries or everyday essentials. The bags feature reinforced stitching and comfortable shoulder straps, making them ideal for heavy loads. The simple and elegant design makes these tote bags versatile for various occasions, from casual outings to professional use. Number 4. Reginary DIY Canvas Tote Bags and Makeup Pouches. Get a great value pack with 8 large tote bags and 8 makeup pouches. These are perfect for all your crafting and daily needs, with plenty to share. Create a personalized and memorable gift for loved ones. Add names or special messages to make it a unique present for any occasion. The tote bags offer ample space for groceries or essentials, with comfortable handles for easy carrying. The pouches are perfectly sized for cosmetics or as coin purses. Crafted from high-quality, durable canvas, these bags are built to last. The smooth zippers ensure your belongings stay secure and organized. Use them for the beach, travel, shopping, work, or the pool. They're also ideal for printing custom designs or adding your own artistic touch. These reusable bags are designed for everyday life. They're sturdy, stylish, and a sustainable choice for all your carrying needs. What we like? Need a large quantity for a project or event? This set offers a generous bulk of blank canvas bags perfect for sublimation and DIY crafts. If you're a crafter, planning a party, or need reusable bags for a group, this is an excellent value with added cosmetic pouches for convenience. What people say. The canvas tote bag is made of durable material and has a large capacity, perfect for carrying groceries or daily essentials. It features a reinforced bottom and sturdy straps, making it reliable for heavy loads. The simple and elegant design makes it suitable for various occasions, from casual outings to professional settings. Number 3. Reginary 12-pack Canvas Grocery Bags. This package includes 12 reusable canvas grocery bags in a natural color. They are designed with double handles for reliability and are perfect for your daily needs. You can even share them with friends. These blank tote bags are generously sized at 14 by 14 by 7.5 inches, offering ample space for all your items. The comfortable handle drop makes them easy to carry. Each large canvas tote bag features long, sturdy double handles. This design allows for comfortable carrying by hand, arm, or shoulder, freeing up your hands. Use these versatile shopping bags for groceries, books, or beach essentials. They are suitable for shopping, traveling, picnics, and many other activities. Crafted from quality canvas, these bags are sturdy, textured, and built to last. They are washable, color-fast, and friendly to your skin, ensuring repeated use without deformation or tearing. What we like? Are you tired of flimsy grocery bags? This pack of 12 large canvas totes is designed for serious shoppers. If you need sturdy, reusable bags that can hold a lot and withstand frequent use for groceries or everyday errands, these are a practical and eco-friendly solution. What people say. The canvas tote bag is made of durable material and has a large capacity, perfect for carrying groceries or daily essentials. It features a reinforced bottom and sturdy handles, making it reliable for heavy loads. The bag's simple and elegant design makes it suitable for various occasions, from casual outings to professional settings. Number 2. Reginary 12-pack Burlap Tote Bags. Introducing our 12-pack of Burlap tote bags, perfect for any occasion. These large, blank bags offer ample space for all your essentials. Available in classic white and black, they are ideal for shopping, beach trips, or as a stylish accessory. Their durable construction ensures they can handle your daily needs. These blank totes are also a fantastic canvas for your creativity. Personalize them for DIY projects, or use them as charming gift bags for weddings and bridal parties. Measuring 15.8 by 11.8 by 6.7 inches, they provide generous storage capacity. You'll have plenty of room for groceries, books, or beach gear. Crafted from sturdy jute material, these bags are built to last. They are designed for repeated use, making them an eco-friendly choice. Whether it's a wedding, a bridesmaid gift, or a simple shopping trip, these versatile bags are a practical and elegant solution. They are designed to meet a variety of needs. What we like. Seeking a rustic or natural aesthetic? These burlap tote bags offer a unique texture and are perfect for events like weddings or parties. If you're looking for gift bags with a charming, earthy feel or a blank canvas for DIY projects with a natural vibe, these are a fantastic option. What people say. The canvas material is thick and durable, holding up well to daily use. The spacious interior easily fits a laptop, books, and other essentials. It has multiple interior pockets for organizing smaller items like keys and a phone. Number 1. Reginary Women's Canvas Gift Bag Set. Introducing the Reginary 10-piece Canvas Gift Bag Set. These bags are perfect for a variety of uses, from special occasions to everyday errands. Whether it's a wedding, a shopping trip, or your weekly grocery run, these totes are designed to be both stylish and functional. Each set comes with a convenient makeup bag, keeping your essentials organized on the go. Opt for a sustainable solution with these reusable tote bags. They are a great alternative to single-use plastic bags. Crafted from durable canvas, these bags are built to last while offering a touch of elegance. They are a practical addition to your daily life. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This set offers a practical and beautiful way to present your presents or simply treat yourself. What we like. Want a convenient set for shopping and organizing? This pack includes both a reusable tote and a matching makeup bag, perfect for keeping your essentials together. If you appreciate practicality and a coordinated look for shopping, travel, or as a gift, this set offers great utility. What people say. The canvas tote bag is made of durable material and has a large capacity, perfect for carrying groceries or daily essentials. It features a reinforced bottom and sturdy handles, making it reliable for heavy loads. The simple and elegant design makes it suitable for various occasions, from casual outings to work. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.